Welcome to Learn LB Accounting. Today we are starting a series on Introduction to Excel. So if you know this channel before, we mostly focus on tutorials on different accounting topics and different accounting concepts. But this time around, we are starting a series on Excel. So basically, Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software application powered by or developed by Microsoft. It is widely used for various tasks such as data analytics, financial calculations, project management, and more. Since this channel is tailored mostly to accountants and financial analysts, we're going to be focusing more on Excel's use to data analysts, financial analysts, and accountants. So this is our first video on the introduction to Excel, and we're going to break down the use of this software, the interface, and how it can basically help to improve your work as an accountant, data analyst, or financial analyst. So now, before we start, let's just go through basic definition, right? So a simple Excel file is called a workbook. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is an Excel file that is opened. At the top left corner is saved that LB Intro to Excel. That is the name of the Excel file. Once you click on it and it opens, this simple Excel file is called a workbook. In a workbook, it can have many sheets. A workbook is made up of several Excel sheets, right? Several worksheets. If you look at the bottom left part of the screen, you can see work 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. And you can also rename each of these sheets to whatever name you choose. So since I named the first one work 1, I'm going to use work 2 for the second one. You can also create more sheets by clicking on the cross beside the sheets, and then it adds more sheets to this thing. So a workbook is made up of different worksheets, multiple worksheets. I don't think there's a limit to the amount of worksheets you can create in a Microsoft workbook. Now, a cell is the smallest unit in Excel where the data can be entered. So now I clicked on a box, right? This box. At the top left corner, you can see a box name, A1. So now a cell, another definition I will give a cell is a cell is an intersection between a column and a row, the rows and a column, right? So now these cells are named after their column alphabet and their row numbers. The rows are identified by numbers, row 1, row 2, row 3, down to the bottom. So if you want to see the ending of this, where the number stops, you can simply do control down and it takes you to the last row. And the last row you can see here is about 1,48,576. That this number is not necessary because you don't really need to memorize or know anything about it. You just know that the Excel sheet is very long and there's numerous of Excel sheets you can work with. You must not make a data up to this point in the Excel sheet. And then you can go control arrow up to take it back to the top, right? Control the up arrow. So now, and the columns are identified by alphabet A, B, C to whatever. So when you get to Z, you can simply do control the right button and it takes you to the end of the Excel. So you see how long the rows, the columns are. There is X, F, D, X, it keeps on going. So after getting to Z, they start with A, B again, and then it keep on going. So it shows you how big and how much data an Excel can work with. So this is just basically the introduction to the interface. This is what an Excel looks like. An Excel is the smallest unit in an Excel sheet, which is the intersection between the row and a column. So now this cell is where data are entered, where units of data are entered, right? So now we can see the name of a cell. This point where you can see my mouse, this is where you see the name of a cell. So we're going to start something, right? So we said that Excel can be used for data analysis, financial management, project management. But in this series of tutorials, we're going to be focusing on data analytics and basically accounting, how Excel helps the accountant, how Excel can be used for accounting functions, accounting duties, basically.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. To watch the next video, click on the left button that says watch next, and to check out our previous video based on our suggestions, click on the right button. Please ensure you subscribe for more, like this video, and leave something for us in the comment section. We're waiting for you to reply. Thanks for watching.